Civil Aviation Minister Ajit Singh today announced that for the government, the one-month-old strike of the Air India pilots is over and government has decided to hire 90 additional pilots for 6 months to run the Indian Airlines operation smoothly. The minister warned that those pilots do not join work will stand terminated.
This comes after the Pilots Guild wrote a letter to the Air India management seeking a channel of communication to end the impasse. The Pilots Guild wrote, and I quote, "The need of the hour demands setting aside differences and egos to pull our strengths together and save the carrier. We do hope that you will take our viewpoints, discuss with powers that be, and offer solutions that will be in best interest of all employees and the organization."
Now they have gone back to the pre-strike position. Domestic passenger carriage is now 26,000 passengers daily, as it was in the first week of May when the strike began. Air India plans to sustain this and make efforts to improve it. Within a few days of the strike, Air India formulated a restructured schedule which entailed flying to all major destinations except Hong Kong, Osaka, Seoul and Toronto. Flights have been operating to New York, Chicago, Frankfurt, Paris, London and Singapore, though with combination, varied frequency and change of equipment. With intensive use of our resources, Air India was able to restore Mumbai-London flight from 26th May. The restructured schedule has been stabilized and is now operating smoothly. International passenger carriage on the restructured schedule has gradually increased to about 11,000 passengers daily. They have decided, it seems to me, not to come back because I saw in the papers recently, they have condemned the Dharmadhikari report. Now the Dharmadhikari report implementation is part of the turnaround plan. So if they don't accept Dharmadhikari report, I don't think there is any point in their coming back.
उल्लंघन हम नहीं कर रहे हैं। अभी तक जो हमें अनुमति मिली है कि जुलाई 13 तारीख तक हम उनका जवाब दे सकते हैं। ये जब कानूनी कार्रवाई हमारी वकील उसको संभाल रहा है और आज की तारीख पे हम उसका कोई उल्लंघन नहीं कर रहे। जो भी आदेश कोर्ट से आएंगे हम उनका पूरी तरफ से अमल करेंगे उनको।